Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Uya kigimana inde umurigeriria bwegetaseni kya Getembe nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona marago barit kerigare Jumapili yechitariki emeronge 3 neye muri tkoryo mwerire mutinyiga ugatano na gatatu Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge nchengoro wakati ni Nyaboga Wilson makoro cross muna bwimanyerero makmes nero koneka buna chibichechi na marengo kirachira asenchira eriyo bwekirano magega yo musayo na kotabuna nigo atumire no mujumbe West Mogirango Moske Steve Mugaka eriwa morwere erongoli yaye ase moigoyo asa Android asa constituency ya West Mogirango asireta Samson Mayaka nigo aisokia na kugikiria egekore ikyo na kotabuna mujumbe Steve tabete ka kumutoma onde bwensi ase okomotinenera ase birerebyo yabise yega nigo yatebire nigo barachikwe ose nigo bayimukire getambukero ase bakiro roboti ase getaseni kyabanyanyimbo kya Nyamira ase baganetio obotuki gokora igoro ya audio ose igoro yo musao yo na ningo mutumitego kya sebirerebyo
haya oyo nyueta bwatero ngoli ya Steve Mugaka mo gwanja to
inche nato muna Steve Mugaka nanga ebesa yanke gono kerenge nerarende tenyadet nimbwate meronke bire ngobeke sani sengenje Steve.
Sasa hii ya Steve.
Nje asamalieta ngoro ku Samson Mayaka ninje mo manager we constituency eite ya West Mogrango. Igo tu abarangiri igaiga kotebia abantu baitu nga igoro asamatanga arenge gari gesieri yo mugaka mecha omonto narororo bwekorete nga igatumire no mweshimiwa Steve mugaka goja asamatanga iyo otete kotebia abantu bonse pinga intu une obisio mweshimiwa gose mweshimiwa manyene ntotometi onde bwensi goja asamatanga aya mecha igoro le reason ne linga ntwale gotomonde kose ndokora diga senje tutata gete kusalia matanga yo mugakoria na inde ole omoiri bwo mweshimiwa igo aso mwana olia gosomo ndolio oirete chishiringi emerongebere asa matanga nimaetenga igato metuna bana siasa babu atega ngembe gototete kubatebinga amangana ayo twayairire asa bwana tekogenda omomuro iyo abe investigated elinde tumanyenga inki kiagera tagakora igo abantu baitu tutete kubatebinga nonye siasa kere ebinto mbiro tutabonete gokora unebio byanyarekanete rigoro mweshimiwa ito Steve Mugaka igeruete gokorera aba West Mogrange gas nabo tutagete abantu bonse bamubwatie gokora igasi eri bamutumete mpaka 2027.
Asuchinya gitali chichingencho sichinsemo onani go barachi goikia abakurumi abo asa bigambiro na goikira abakurumi abo wakanira chibesa chiri babere bakoibera eserekali.
Our detractors, we are not going to listen to you. On matters to do with SHA, the reason why we are unearthing the theft and the corruption in hospitals is because our systems in the SHA, the digital system, is now able to detect the fraud that people have carried out for many years under NHIF. Why do we have 30 billion shillings deni ya NHIF leo? Na tukisema wacha tufanye verification ya hiyo debt ya 30 billion, mahospitali wanaenda kotini wanasema they don't want verification kwa sababu wanajua ndani pale iko wizi, and we are not going to pay until we verify, because we are not going to spend public money to pay corrupt people. Ama namna gani jameni? So we are telling the people who think the theft they were carrying out in NHIF watalete kwa SHA, nyinyi mnaota ndoto ya mchana. Haiwezekani. Hospitali yeyote, hospitali ya serikali, hospitali ya kibinafsi, hospitali ya kanisa, kama wameiba pesa ya NHIF, watalipa hiyo pesa. Kama wamelete corruption kwa mambo ya SHA, watalipa hiyo pesa na tutawapeleka kotini, kwa sababu we must be accountable for all the resources that the public have put at our disposal as government.
Chinga kechecho muraibwense ni gateba wikachi county chichikobeka bene goseteneni chibesa bagotumika kugura ebintu sechi county haseboigo akwanera omorobiri o procurement gose kugura ebintu gwetera sechinchira chekerero yobeire gokomochiwani gati yabantu asensemo yende rutoni gateba nsemoteyo erache kuibera bakenya na inde ondetayo orabatange korwa kuligereria chinchira chibesa cha serikali chirabe chigotumika.
Kuna watu wengi wamezoea kandarasi ya ukora. Kitu ya shilingi 2 tunanunua shilingi 10 kama serikali, kwa sababu ya procurement ya ukora hapo, ya quotation na nini na nini. Tumesema tunaweka procurement. Wacha ijulikane imenunuliwa pesa ngapi na imeuziwa serikali na nani, na mbona mtu wa shilingi 2 hakupata hiyo kandarasi, mtu wa shilingi 10 alipata. That is what we want to do. Mimi najua kuna resistance. Procurement officers, accounting officers hawataki hiyo maneno kwa sababu wanataka kuendelea na ukora ya zamani. Alafu ndio wanaandika headline, sijui Mbadi, sijui 5 billion, sijui nini. Nyinyi na ukora yenu na maheadline yenu na ufisadi yenu hamuwezi kutuzuia kuhakikisha ya kwamba pesa ya serikali inatumika inavyopaswa. And we are going to implement e-procurement. There is no going back. Any official who is not ready to work with us in e-procurement, they can as well leave. Waondoke kwa serikali, waende watafute kazi nyingine. Ama namna gani? Tuko pamoja ama tuko pamoja, my friends? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Na vita ya ufisadi hakuna mahali itasimama. Kama ni kwa bunge, kama ni judiciary, kama ni executive, kama ni county, kama ni maofisi zetu za mawizara, we are going to make sure that every penny that has been given by the people of Kenya must be spent as is required and must be spent for the purposes for which that money was meant. And we are going to be firm and we are going to be steady, and no amount of blackmail, intimidation or
tutikarite asenseme yo kurigereria umurobero o e-procurement muwaziri w'ekiganja gya serikali John Ng'ong'ombani nigatebire tako cyako gosa kurwa gotebya county kinare umurobero o e-procurement asenchera yekerero aseboigo amochiri abantu bali bagotebuna murobero yo ni osomurobero yo toliago kora mirimo badi nigo atebere nigo umurobero yo cyagiti umutinyokane mwaka bwekiri bubere 2022 gose 2022 korende nigo akiri buno muwaziri w'ekiganja gya serikali anyokore ochake
I am also not getting distracted to implement e-procurement. EGP is the way to cut on wastages in the government. My plea to the accounting officers, don't listen to your procurement officers because they don't want to let go where they have been stealing public funds. Make sure that you move around and ask your procurement officer to work with the National Treasury to implement this system. This system is going to save us a lot. My team at the National Treasury did not have a weekend. They are making sure that by next week, all state departments, all county governments are ready to do procurement through e-procurement platform. And I will tell you, some people are making noise that the system is not working. But they don't even know how that system works. How can you say it is not working and you don't even know how it works? Only 13 counties have been cleared by a controller of budget. So your counties cannot procure because you have not cleared with the controller of the budget. The ones that have cleared with controller of budget, by next week you should be ready to start procurement. So let us embrace this system. We are not bringing a system that is going to inconvenience you. Any new system must have challenges, but we walk as we move ahead. And I see some people reporting, Sijui, well, how did they put it? Mbadi's 5 billion mess. That system is only worth $2.9 million, which is about 370 million Kenya shillings. And it was procured in 2022 April when I was still a member of parliament. I did not procure that system. If you thought it was procured yesterday, you are behind the news. It was procured in 2022. I was a member of parliament for Super South, for heaven's sake. All that time, it has just been kept there. What I've done is to make it work. And it is in line with the National Assembly's approval in 2020 through regulations where they said we should go e-procurement. Members of parliament conditioned the executive to go e-procurement. Thank you very much. Embrace this system. Support me, support the government. Support us in all our reforms to save Kenyans.
Songa Samuel Tandi oyoboye igoro budget niga ainekero murai wensebna kubotrana no muwaziri w'ekiganja gya serikali John Mbadi nigo barose budget yobwasyo ko yera chikwikirania amaganyo y'abakenya.
Your Excellency, I want to assure you that together with my brother Honorable John Mbadi, we have for the first time delivered a budget that is not only transparent, but a budget that has been able to live up to the requirements of the Constitution that expects a budget to be to address the regional balance, regional equities, and also to address the needs of every section of the country. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that we are not partisan leaders. The mandate you have given us is for us to help you govern the country in terms of resource sharing. So if you see development projects that have been appropriated in this region, that is the same thing that has happened in all other parts of the country. So the budget has been balanced, and that this country is for all of us, and we cannot isolate any section of the country, because that is what the message that you have given us. So, Your Excellency, thank you very much for that message. I will not talk about the development projects that are here, because now you are here, and those projects that we put in the budget, we put them courtesy of your blessings. So I will allow you to be the one to speak about them. But I don't know, Martin,
Mokonyo mukoro wo murai wense umuskeriga digashagwa yibona uru murai weke makiregi DCP nigo agenderere komochia serikali akwaneire chingwana cyo murai wense cyo kurwania obokurume okwana kurwa ekanisa ya PCEA egotoka ongatarongai ekaunti ya Kajiado mugamambia rero chinga kikirane kanisa gashagwa nigo akwanire ngana yo murai wense yo korangeria ebisaku gocha senyomba yo bora ya State House mocho Nairobi na koba chibesa Chinsa inechiriwe Ikomi asense moyende nigo akwanira bukurumi asomurobirosha na komocho mu waziri wobochero omoske Adendwale.
Kila kitu ni wizi. So when I was in the United States, nikaona rais wetu ameongea na ukali sana mambo ya ufisadi na mambo ya hongo, na kusema wabunge wote kazi yao ni kuchukua hongo, na hata kubali hiyo maneno. Nikafurahi sana kama ameamua hivyo, kwa sababu yeye mwenyewe ndio mwenye kuhonga wabunge. So I thought hiyo maneno sasa ya hongo imefika mwisho, lakini sasa ndio imeongezeka. Moderator, pale State House sasa ndio pahali ya corruption and bribery. 5,000 people from Kiambu wamefika pale, kila mtu 10,000 wamehongwa. Ndio atuwafanye nini? Atuwatenge Kiambu waitoe kwa Mlima Kenya. Wamechukua pesa, wameenda nyumbani, wanaiba one time. Si Kiambu imeondoka? Nani ameingia next? Meru wamefika, kila mtu 10,000. Atiwatoe Meru waipeleke Marsabit na Isiolo. So pale Ikulu has become the center of corruption in broad daylight. It is very embarrassing.
Wancha barigeria haine gatiaria harano totonyangira yendete kwariganeria achiko gotira Nyaboga na woiwa Wilson wakuri kura somo na woi manyerero maki Wilson ero kone kabona chivichana mirengo kirachira senchira ya wekerano tuaro buri woro bya asomoro we misenchano yora chikore tu asmur na kaka sungura na woigo DJ wama na woigo monyora masisini ya mange kura somoro bireyo tombera nerit korea anki.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga niko chire chibirengo punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentere nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga niko chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwatokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone